Hi, this is Steve Alexander with iSolar Solutions. We're here today to talk to you about the new FLEXLine of solar attic ventilation systems. We're just going to go over real quick of what's included in the package and what it takes to pre-assemble the unit and make it ready for installation on the roof. We have a couple of samples here for you today. This is a 20-watt panel, and it comes with 1 meter of cord with an SAE connector. And this is a 50-watt panel. It comes with a hardware kit and a fan for retrofit, and then you can go into our accessories if you need a new vent cover. In the package of hardware, if we open that up now, you'll see a bracket kit and a bag of hardware. So you have 2 brackets for the bottom. These go on the bottom of the roof side, and they'll get attached to the solar panel. And these are the risers that will go up and connect to the back end of the solar panel for full adjustability. The hardware kit includes a nut driver, which is perfect, so you can use that on the screws, and some gummy sealant, and this is used for underneath the screws when sealing it to the roof deck. Some zip ties to zip tie the cord to the strut, and of course all your screws and adjustment knobs. We've got the iSolar FLEXLine hardware kit out with the brackets and the solar panel, and we're going to go ahead and attach these brackets to the solar panel, making it ready for mounting to the roof. This is the bottom bracket that goes to the roof, and we go ahead and put one of the small screws into the front where the pivot occurs. Now we'll attach the back riser bracket to the back of the panel for adjustability. Now we'll go ahead and put the adjustment knob now that the front's attached and the riser arm is attached to the solar panel. Now we're going to connect the 2 panel pieces together with the adjustable knob bolt and the wing nut. Okay, we've cut out the template for the 50 NFA Duraflow vent. I just made a quick template. It's just over this brace on my test roof, but just be careful when you cut your hole to make sure you're on center between roof trusses. And now that we've pried up these shingles along the edge here, we're able to slip this into place like that, and then that should be good to go. So this is kind of a retrofit into existing shingles. We've got a nice tight fit all the way around underneath here, and we would seal that with sealant underneath the shingles and around the cowling if possible. And so now all we got to do is slip our iSolar fan in. So here's the fan template, the iSolar. It says top on the plate, and so we just want to kind of pry this up a little bit. Put the fan in like that, and that's it. So now we're ready to seal and nail this flange. What we're going to do is take the provided sticky tape. I'm going to cut four pieces and put one under each hole that's going to take a screw into the roof deck. So each 4, there'll be 4 spots, 4 corners of this bottom bracket will go to the roof deck with sticky tape underneath each screw. So we're just going to take, these would have sticky tape underneath them, and then we would put the top screws here now that we've put the solar panel where we want it. I'll go ahead and lag this in. Okay, and we'll do that 4 times in each 4 corners, one at the bottom and the other side as well, and then we'll make sure we get this flange nailed. And then the last thing we'll do is when we're all done is go ahead and connect these power cables, and that will turn the fan on. And then you can take any of the excess here, and with the provided zip tie, just zip tie it to one of these legs.